Welcome to CAD station. Today we are going to draw the simple part. First look here. It seems to be very difficult as if you see, this is the top view from this side and this is the front view of this side. So if you just think how to draw, you may be confused how to draw, but it is very simple. So let's just start. First of all, new document, part. Okay, now same I will say, it's up to you. You may select top plane, front plane or right plane. I am going to top plane. Sketch center rectangle. I have made a center rectangle. Smart dimension of 110 90 plus 20 110 by 40. 110 by 40 is defined. Now features, extruded boss up to you can see 12 plus 12 plus this one, it's 36. Then it will become 40. Okay, 40. So come to here and make it 40. Okay, now select fillet, select this edge and this edge and make radius 20. Now you can see it's completely touches this edge, and by fillet, as you can see here, this shape will be made 20. Okay, now again go to fillet and this time select this edge and this edge, you can see. Okay, now first select this, sketch, control 8. Now go to circle, point to the here, then it shows the center point. Click and make a circle of radius. Its radius is die 20. Smart dimension, dia of 20. Okay, features, extruded cut. Extruded cut, it's blind, it's okay, but select through all if it's miss through all. Now come to this face, sketch, control 8. Same working, select circle, hover here and from this point make dimension 20 mm. Okay, features, extruded cut up to through all. Okay, now just one thing remaining, this part, this circle is done. Now we have to cut this section and this section. If you can see here, this dotted line shows here is a circle, which is this one circle, and it's the distance how much. If you notice, this is the outer radius is of 20. If there is a 20 mm from this center point to here, then it should be from here to here 20. So then 20 plus 20 is equals to 40. We have to cut it up to 40 mm. Now come here, select sketch, control 8. Now this time select corner rectangle, from this edge just draw one, smart dimension, make it 40 and this one is 16. Okay, and this blue line, as I thought you, this blue line shows it is not fully defined. Then we have to define it fully. For extrude cut or extrude boss, select this edge and make it 12. Then it's already of 12. Okay, it's 12. Okay, features, extruded cut, cut up to through all. Okay, it's ready now. For this side, sketch, control 8, rectangle, this edge to this side, relation, dimension of 40, this is of 16, here to here distance is 12. For your satisfaction, check it, it's also of 12. Okay, now similarly, from features, extruded cut up to through all. Okay, now you can see it's complete. Define some material, appearance, and that's okay. Now okay, perspective, and from here plain white. Now you can see for more detailed settings, document properties, image quality, and just stretch it here and here. Okay, now you can see how it shows. Now select these, you can see it's complete. So hope you like this video, and if there is any problem, then you can ask me on comment, and